Is Saudi Arabia going to join BRICS, or are they giving Russia and China the big runaround? And these are big questions, and we need to find the answers. Because if the Saudis join, it will be a game changer, and if they don't, it will be a temporary setback to the BRICS, and de-dollarization will face a delay.
A new world order. BRICS expansion reshapes global dynamics. The global economic landscape is shifting. The BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, are experiencing rapid growth. This growth stands in stark contrast to the sluggish performance of many Western economies. The BRICS nations are challenging the established global order. They are seeking greater autonomy. They aim for more influence on the world stage. Saudi Arabia's decision to join BRICS is a seismic event. This move has sent shockwaves through the global economy. It signals a potential power shift away from the West. The world is witnessing the emergence of a multipolar system. BRICS expansion represents a rejection of Western hegemony. It is a move towards a more equitable global order. This new bloc of nations is united by a common goal. They seek to diminish their reliance on the US dollar. They are actively pursuing alternative reserve currencies. This de-dollarization trend poses a significant threat to the United States' economic dominance. It could reshape the global financial system as we know it. The rise of BRICS has profound implications for international trade and investment. Developing countries now have alternative sources of financing. They are no longer beholden to the West's financial institutions. This shift has the potential to accelerate economic development in the global South. It could usher in an era of greater prosperity for emerging economies. Saudi Arabia's entry into BRICS has sent ripples through the energy market. As the world's largest oil exporter, Saudi Arabia holds significant sway. Its decisions have the power to move markets and impact global energy prices. The kingdom's move away from the US dollar could have far-reaching consequences. It raises questions about the future of the petrodollar system. Will oil continue to be traded in US dollars? Or will we see a shift towards other currencies? The answers to these questions will have significant implications for the global economy. The potential for a BRICS-backed alternative to the SWIFT payment system further adds to the uncertainty. Such a system would allow for trade to bypass the US financial system. This move could diminish the impact of US sanctions. It would provide countries with an alternative to the dollar-dominated system. Saudi Arabia's decision is a calculated gamble. The kingdom is hedging its bets. It is seeking to diversify its economic and political partnerships. The move reflects a changing geopolitical landscape. It underscores the growing importance of emerging economies on the world stage. Japan's yen, a warning sign in a sea of economic uncertainty? While the BRICS nations surge ahead, other major economies face significant challenges. Japan, the world's third-largest economy, is grappling with a weakening yen. The currency has plummeted against the US dollar, raising concerns about the country's economic outlook. The yen's woes are symptomatic of deeper structural issues. Japan is burdened by massive government debt. Its population is aging rapidly. These factors have hampered economic growth and fueled deflationary pressures. The situation presents a stark warning to other developed economies facing similar demographic and fiscal challenges. The Bank of Japan has limited options to address the currency crisis. Interest rates are already at historic lows. Further easing could destabilize the financial system. The government is caught in a bind. It needs to stimulate growth, but it lacks the fiscal space for large-scale spending. Japan's economic woes have global implications. A slowdown in the world's third-largest economy would have ripple effects across the globe. It could further dampen global growth prospects. It could trigger volatility in financial markets. Japan's struggles serve as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of the global economy. A safe haven in a storm of currency wars? In times of economic uncertainty, investors often flock to safe haven assets. Gold, with its historical role as a store of value, tends to benefit from such flights to safety. The current global landscape, characterized by geopolitical tensions and currency volatility, has renewed interest in the yellow metal. Central banks around the world have been steadily increasing their gold reserves. This trend reflects a growing distrust in fiat currencies. It suggests a desire to diversify reserves away from the US dollar. Gold's appeal lies in its tangibility and its limited supply. This is Africa Social Intellect, your premier destination for thought-provoking discussions and insightful perspectives on the vibrant and diverse African community and beyond. Our dedication extends beyond conversations. In recognizing the importance of security, we provide essential information to help safeguard vulnerable nations. From navigating local challenges to assisting these vulnerable nations against imperialistic threats, we stand as a beacon of awareness and resilience. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share our news. If you're watching on Facebook or another platform, follow us and share this reliable news source. We hope you enjoy the news, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.